In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to join your employer's organization in Apploye. You can join in two simple ways, either through an email invitation or a joining link provided by your employer. First, open your email inbox and look for an invitation from your employer's organization. Once you find the email, click on Accept Invitation. After clicking, you'll be redirected to Apploye. Enter your full name and password to create your account. That's it. You'll now be added to your employer's organization automatically. Second, if your employer shares a joining link with you, simply click or open the link in your browser. You will be taken to the Apploye sign-up page. Now, create your Apploye account by entering your name, email, and password. Now, verify your email with the code sent. After signing up, a join request is automatically sent to your employer's organization. Once your employer approves it, you'll be successfully added to the team. That's all. You're now ready to start using Apploye with your organization.